What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are checking out a new doll, Angel Reese. This is a Barbie signature doll, new to the Barbie role model series. This doll is on Mattel Creations for $38. However, I have seen different prices at other major retailers, one as low as $34.99. The packaging looks pretty simple, with a large window on the front, Angel Reese on the sides, and a picture of Angel Reese on the back, with the quote, "Earn every crown you wear. Put in the work, maximize your 24 hours, and show the world you're limitless." Angel Reese. At the bottom, we have more information, letting us know that Angel Reese doesn't just push boundaries, she owns the court. The breakout star of the Women's National Basketball Association first learned the game from her mother and honed her skills with her brother in their Baltimore driveway. By high school, she was dominating the court and earning recognition as a 5-star recruit. At LSU, she led the Tigers to their first national championship and was awarded Most Outstanding Player in the NCAA tournament. Drafted by the Chicago Sky, she quickly made her mark as a fierce forward, becoming a 2-time WNBA All-Star. You can go on to read more about her impact off the court, about being an entrepreneur and a cultural icon. But right now, let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. We got a certificate of authenticity, letting us know this is a Barbie signature black label doll. We get a doll stand with a hot pink base. Personally, I would love to see a thinner base that was clear, because these add extra height to the dolls and they don't always fit on my shelves, but then again, that could just be a personal problem. We get a pink basketball that says Barbie and has a finger bracket, so it stays in the doll's hand. And here's the doll. This is a tall made-to-move Barbie that can move at the head, shoulder, upper arm. There's a double joint at the elbow, bend at the wrist, and she has nails, y'all, which I am so excited about because I've been seeing dolls on Barbie Style's Instagram with nails, and I've been like, come on, give us dolls with nails. OMG's got a manicure, so does Mirror Me. Venus has some little claws. Glinda has some little nails. So when I saw that the Angel Reese doll had a set, I was like, yeah! This doll has long pink nails, can move at the chest, hip, upper thigh, there's a double joint at the knee, and she can move at the ankle. This doll has long brown hair, pulled up into a high ponytail. She wears a pink headband that has elastic underneath. The face sculpt is likeness of Angel Reese. She has painted edges, brown eyes with a smoky eyeshadow, and a warm brown lip color. This doll has a little blush, and she's not shiny or pixelated. This doll comes dressed to play basketball, wearing a custom pink Barbie jersey that says Barbie at the top, Angel across the chest. Her WNBA number 5 is on the front, and her LSU number 10 is on the back. This jersey has Velcro at the shoulders. For me, it keeps coming undone, but again, that could just be operator error. She wears matching pink shorts with an elastic waistband, her signature legging in pink, it is removable, and a pair of Reebok shoes with painted details and sculpted socks. And she wears a metallic silver necklace that says Angel. Here's the doll next to the picture on the back. I can see a likeness. I think this is a beautiful sculpt. I like her eye proportions. I think her skin tone looks similar to Neutral Kit 1, but to me, they look slightly different. Let's see how she looks in a few Barbie outfits. This one's from one of the Barbie Deluxe style dolls. So let's try it on, and we can hang the jersey in our very pink closet because it totally matches. Here she is in the dress. This is a tall Barbie. The dress is hitting a little short, but I like the pink, which Barbie has a lot of. This look is also from Barbie Deluxe Style. It was made for a tall Barbie, so it's a good fit. This outfit was for a standard Barbie. I think it works. Part of me wants to see what she looks like with her hair down, so let's do it. The doll has a center part, and the ponytail did leave a little bump in her hair. So we're gonna do a little hot water rinse, then comb it, and it's not too bad. Might have to do a second round. I do see a few bumps, but wow, she's got super long hair that almost reaches her knees. At $35 to $38, I like that we're getting a doll on a made-to-move body with a new face sculpt. Speaking of Angel and all things pink, I picked up the Disney ILY 4Ever I Heart Angel by Jakks Pacific. This doll was $19.99. Looks like we're getting an outfit and a few accessories. With this doll line, we usually see a lot of Stitch, so I'm pretty happy to see Angel with this pink color palette. And it looks like they traded the rings for a bracelet. Usually I'm saying, can we trade the ring for a cell phone? And there is a cell phone. So now I have to say, can we trade the bracelet for more miniatures for the doll? But that's just my opinion as an adult doll collector. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Here's the doll with hazel eyes, a pink lip color, pink blush on the cheeks and on the bridge of the nose. The doll has brown hair with pink in the front. There's a center part, and the hair might need a little styling out of the box. This doll comes wearing pink headphones that say 624. They are silver on the inside and a little large for a Barbie. We get a long sleeve white top with a wide neck and an angel graphic on the front. The top velcros in the back and is paired with pink pants made out of a shiny pink ribbed fabric. It has an elastic waistband and a faux drawstring in front. There's a graphic at the top with the letter A. There are two white stripes going down the sides of the leg. The pants are pretty long, covering the doll's shoes, and they're wide at the bottom. We get silver and black shoes, a drink that says Experiment 624, out of this world matcha. It has a finger bracket so the doll can hold it. We get pink sunglasses that say Angel. I think they're a little wide for a Barbie, but they are staying on. We get a tube of lip gloss, cute and fluffy lip gloss. The top is removable. The scale doesn't look too bad for a Barbie, and I think the matcha works too. However, I do find using the finger bracket a little challenging for Barbie. But that is totally not going to stop me from using this phone because it's so cute. We get an Angel phone case where the doll has placed her matcha order and it's ready for a pickup. And we get an Angel purse that's an easy fit for Barbie. The bracelet has a plastic Mickey Mouse head and an adjustable cord. And I was able to get the bracelet on my wrist. I am a big fan of the clothing and some of the accessories, but you know I gotta see it on Barbie. The pants are giving a similar fit on a classic Barbie. This is a Barbie standing on the ball of her feet, and the pants are almost touching the floor. Here they are on a tall Barbie, and I think they're still a good length. The shoes are staying on. If you want a better fit, you might just need a pair of socks. But yeah, I'm gonna say this Angel outfit is a good fit for Angel. The necklace totally works with this outfit, and she's having no problem holding the Angel cell phone. And I love that she has nails. If you want to DIY your doll's nails, there are a lot of tutorials out there. We made press-on nails a few years back, but they did easily fall off. I've seen several other creators use hot glue, which is such a good idea. I love hot glue. So I gave it a try on a spare doll, and it's not too bad. There's definitely a little bit of a learning curve, but it's forgiving as long as you don't melt your doll's hands. Which I haven't done, but if you do make a mistake, you can just take it off and try again. Having a precision tip hot glue gun helps for me, and then just trying to go slow and allow the glue to kind of tail off. That's not too bad. Oh wow, these look like little needle nails. I use scissors to cut them. Then I can take whatever polish I'm wearing. This one dries really fast, and I just paint the hot glue nails. Let them dry, and yeah, I like it. My doll can have nails that match my nails, and they're not permanent. But still, I wouldn't mind if more Barbies came with long nails. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Is this doll a buy or a pass? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. And follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!